Should you list your price on your website? This is a question I get asked all the time, especially by event and wedding planners, and I'm going to answer it again for you today once and for all. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tell you whether or not you should be listing your prices on your website, but I'm also going to be sharing some reasons why you should not or should, and the reason for that is the type of clients that it can attract, and I want to ensure that you're attracting the right clients, not the wrong ones, and I'm going to show you which strategy works best for the type of clients that you're trying to attract. But most importantly, the reason I'm sharing this is because I know that so many of us, when we start our business and we're going through the motions, we're often thinking about whether listing our price or not listing our price is costing us leads and what we can do to improve the amount of leads and bookings we get in our business. So once and for all, I'm going to share that. So stay tuned. You might be in one of two buckets right now. Maybe you're at the place where you're getting a lot of consultations, but you're getting consultations with people who can't actually afford your prices. So you're having a lot of consultation calls that aren't leading to bookings. Or maybe you're the kind of person where you're looking right now thinking, where are all these clients? Because you're not getting any consultations, you're not getting any inquiries, and it could be that people are being scared off through your pricing on your website before they even get an opportunity to speak to you and get some context or even fully understand the value that they're going to get when they work with you. Whichever case this is for you or wherever you are, I'm glad that you're watching this video because I'm going to give you some tips on how to make the best decision for your business. So first, let me just state my opinion. I definitely think right now where we are is that a lot of clients are looking for transparency, especially for clients who they are mainly shopping and looking for service providers online. They want pricing transparency. When they're online at 1 a.m. researching vendors, looking up services that they might need, what they are not trying to think about is, I need to complete a long evaluation form. I need to send 10 emails before I can find out what something costs. So pricing transparency, if we lead with that, your price should be on your website. But what I'm going to give is some tips on how to actually position those pricing to ensure that you're not losing out on leads. So the first is that if you're at the place in your business where you are getting a lot of leads, but they're unqualified, they often get on the phone with you, they can't afford your services, they're asking for discounts, they're looking for you to slash your prices, you definitely should be adding your price to your website. And you don't need to add a final price. I highly recommend a starting from price because a starting from price will give someone who is browsing around and just trying to figure out pricing and have some transparency when they're doing their research. It will give them more or less, it will set the parameters for a budget so they know, okay, this person is within my budget or they're way over what I'm expecting to spend and they can move on. So it helps you to pre-qualify leads before they get on the phone with you, before they reach out, so that you're not spending a ton of your time speaking to people who are not really able to afford your services. Now, the second case is that if you are someone who you offer a very specialized, custom, high-end service, having a starting from price on your website might still be helpful, particularly if people are reaching out. Maybe you're a wedding planner and you have those beautiful photos, beautiful videos, and people are reaching out and they can't afford you. You might want to list it. Now, with that said, if you're also in that space where you offer a very specialized custom service, but you do need, it's best to have a conversation with a person where you can provide context, then you can leave it off, but only when you're at the place in your business where not having the price on your site is not going to tank your business. And I will often say to my clients, put your starting from price on your site. That's a good medium. So it's not that you're putting a final price, but you're not having no price. So the good medium is adding a starting from price. Now, if you're also in the place where you're offering a really customized, specialized service where pricing varies drastically depending on what someone is looking for, those are the cases where you can leave the pricing off because what you need to focus on is the value instead. Now, all of this to say that pricing a lot of it comes with context. So think about your business. Think about the clients you're trying to attract. Think about the clients who are already coming to you. And think about what's the best option for you. I can give you my advice. I can tell you what works, what I think works, what I know the market needs. But if that doesn't work for your business, then it doesn't. So price accordingly. Go ahead. Update your website at the starting from price if you're getting a lot of leads who cannot afford you. If you're at the place right now where you want to ensure that your business is attracting the right clients, and maybe you're not seeing that, maybe you're not seeing the right clients, you're not seeing consistent leads, whatever that is for you, definitely reach out. I'm going to drop my link to my free lead generation audit. You can sign up for it. You get a free video audit within 7 days, a full video review by myself where I show you where you're losing leads, where you could be adding leads to your business, and how to fix it. Thanks so much for watching this video. And of course, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can get more videos like this one week after week.